Hi, my name is Debbie and I am the founder and owner of Hair in Excess, which I opened in 1994. Since then, for many years, we have provided a semi-permanent hair replacement system for women with all kinds of hair loss problems, from cancers, brain tumours, alopecia, trichotillomania, genetic thinning and menopausal hair loss, and many, many more problems. Our volume mesh system has changed hundreds of women's lives over the last 20 odd years, giving them back the confidence to go out and work, get relationships, go on holiday, go swimming, do all the things that they would just never normally do without the system on. It absolutely changes people's lives. I'm very happy also that our volume mesh system has a massive impact on the transgender community, which gives them back so much confidence that they lose and also completes their femininity. The staff here at Hair in Excess are a very happy bunch and love the work that they do. And they're very passionate about what they do, kind, caring and understanding. And our customers always feel very much at ease when they come here to get their hair done. So we're just like one big family in here, and the customers feel like they've come home.